Welcome to CALA, the only tool you need to make great fashion products. I'm Scott, and I will guide you through making your first collection with CALA. We'll start with a new collection. Collections are how we group and track designs through production. Let's make a new design. Here, I'm just dropping in some reference photos. Let me move the front view to the top. At this point, we use comments to communicate our vision to the development partner. It's a good idea to call out any changes from the reference images for your design. For example, here we want a globe on the pocket. And on the back, we'll add a screen print. We'll add a few points of measure here, like overall length, sleeve length, also placement for our screen print. Each design is created with a set of tasks to guide you through the creation process. We've already added our sketches and reference images, so we can check those off. It looks like we forgot to add materials and artwork, so let's do that now. Let's go to the Materials tab and add our material and trim references. I'll upload the high-resolution Illustrator source files for the artwork. Once you're done with your tasks, your collection will be ready to submit. Variants allow you to specify colorway and size breakdowns. You can add as many colorways as you want here. There's the pricing coming through now. When you adjust the quantities, you'll see the pricing adjust in real time. More units get you a better unit cost, so I'm going to bump up to about 200 and adjust the size count a bit. The all-in pricing shown here includes everything you need to start selling. Okay, this looks good. Let's check out. Now that we've paid for the collection, production will begin. The design will be paired with a development partner to work out all the detailed specifications we need. Wow, this looks great. Now we'll be able to check the timeline to track the design's progress. From here, you'll be working with your partners through the final production of your design, answering questions, clarifying specifications, and approving samples. Once production is complete, the products are barcoded and sent to you or to one of our warehouses. From our warehouse, inventory will be connected to your store and available for direct shipment to your customers. Now that you've seen what's possible with CALA, we can't wait to see what you create.